ladies, I hope you're well. This is the unboxing of my first ever junk journal kit. I hope this goes well and you like it a lot. So, firstly, I've put it into a gift bag that has some texture. Love this. And there's a couple of cutie things inside. So this one has some lace and some fabrics. It's in one of those foodie bags that I've stamped on. And then, I love these beads. I have a couple of them left after this kit, so I must get more. They are so cute to play with. So inside your foodie bag, there's a little flower charm that you can use for your cover, maybe. PET tape with old photos, a fussy cut piece. And then I used the scrap collections aged to perfection paper to create this kit. So all the ephemera pieces have been cut from those papers. If you need more, please let me know and I'll order some more paper for you. So here I took one of those old fabric clothes patterns, and I made a little pocket with it, and inside you have some goodies, some of the fussy cut sheet elements that I've cut myself, so please know that my heart went into this. A little tag that I made that's fitting inside this pocket. You can obviously add your own thingies. Then this is a freebie on my YouTube channel. It was last week Wednesday, so please go check that out if you haven't yet. I show you how to make this cute little booklet, and then inside this is all the ephemera pieces, or some ephemera pieces, and some stuff that I've cut out from the fussy cut sheet. Oops, there's a flower that is obstructing the closure of this little. And this is love this. So this you can use in your journal as well, anywhere that you wish to do. So there's that little cutie book. Here's another folder that I've created for you. This one's video will come later. I don't know if this one's going to be a purchased one or a freebie. I'll see what my feeling is. So in front you have a little pocket with some of those fabulous wool that I've discovered, a thank you card, and I can also show you how to create this folder. And then a little doily, a hard doily. This is an envelope that I've colored with some oxide sprays and stains that you can also use somewhere in your journal if you like, or you can recreate it if you see what I've done here. And then also some more things that you can use in your journal. So this is a folder, and then I've closed it with a ribbon that I dyed with distressed spray stain. Inside the kit there's this brown paper bag. Those dangles you can use in the journal. Here is just some off-cut pieces that I wanted to include because I'm not going to be able to use all of it. So all the off-cut pieces goes into this. That's a Minte card that I've dyed with tea or coffee, I can't remember now. Some paper that's off-cut. This is a vintage postcard that I got from a vintage shop. So there's only a couple of them. I couldn't find, I took everything they had, so there is not any more. So if you want one of those, please order quickly. Okay, then also in the brown paper bag you get a tube of magic glue, and then this little cutie I've made. So I need to be very careful when I unpack this so that I don't put it back in the wrong order. But this is a puzzle that I've cut for you. So you can go and play with it. I think some of them I did not put in order, so you're gonna have some time putting it together again if you want. And then there's some paper escape thank you thingies and some more die cuts. So that goes into this little matchbox that I've also made for you. With the little heart and with the paper of the scrap collections paper collection. In this little tin, know I love my tins. There's all sort of beads and goodies that you can use in the journal. There's also one of those nice heart beads that you can make your own thing with, and that black thing that I showed you is like a closure, so you can use it as a closure somewhere if you have a little pocket that doesn't want to close nicely. And then some beads to add dangles and goodies to your journal. Okay, so next in the bag we have, oh, my favorite. So this is a little velvet bag that I got for you with nice tassels inside of that. Voila! I love those scissors to bits. I have all the colors and the makes and whatnot have you, so I thought of including one for you as well. And then there's more die cut pieces or interesting. These I think has a little bit of embossing, so those are cool to also add to your journal. This is like a little embroidery hoop, but it's got a weird shape, so not everybody is going to get the same shape. Some of them are round and some of them are other shapes. That was also a fun thing I thought to include in the kit. And then also you'll get 2 signatures, so there will be a scrapbook page, some tea dyed page, a tracing paper, some handmade paper, and some old book pages. This one is a little bit different. I've got a studio light page with this one as well. There's also some different little pieces in there, and that's the studio life page that I've included in this kit. Some fabrics, so this is a doily, a crochet doily, some sheer fabric, and some hessian. Not everyone will receive exactly the same. Oh, and this is just a 12 by 12 cardstock, craft cardstock that you could maybe use for the cover of your little book, if this is going to be a whole book, but you can also use these elements in different books. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's my kit. I would love to hear what you think and whether you like it. Send me a WhatsApp message for more info. Love you. Bye.